Perimeter and area. Spiral learning. Knowing about perimeter of different polygons. Area of different polygons. Perimeter is the total length of the boundary of a shape. Perimeter of the above rectangle is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 10 meters. Perimeter of the above square is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12 centimeters. Area is the surface covered by a flat closed shape in square units. Area A is equal to 5 sqcm. Area A is equal to 18 sqcm. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Perimeter of a regular shape is equal to number of sides into length of one side. We can use a squared paper to measure perimeter and area accurately. Perimeter of a rectangle. The adjoining figure shows the Indian national flag, which is rectangular in shape. To find the perimeter of this rectangle, we add both the lengths and breadths. Since both lengths are equal and breadths are equal, we can say perimeter of a rectangle is equal to length plus length plus breadth plus breadth is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Hence, the perimeter of the flag is equal to 2 into 3 plus 2 meter is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10 meter. Example: a rectangular park of length 40 meters and breadth 30 meters is to be fenced. What is the length of fencing required? Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 2 into 40 plus 30 is equal to 2 into 70 is equal to 140 meters. Hence, 140 meters of fencing is required. Perimeter of a square. Let us consider a square sheet of paper of side 12 centimeters. To find the perimeter of this square, we add all the four sides. Perimeter of a square is equal to side plus side plus side plus side is equal to 4 into side, since all four sides are equal. Hence, the perimeter of this square sheet is equal to 4 into 12 is equal to 48 centimeters. Example 1. What is the side of a square field whose perimeter is 280 meters? Solution. Perimeter of the square field is equal to 280 meters. 4 into side is equal to 280 meters. So, side is equal to 280 divided by 4m is equal to 70 meters. Example 2. What is the perimeter of the following block of square tiles? Each of side is equal to 16 centimeters. Solution. The given arrangement of square tiles form a rectangle of length 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 is equal to 64 centimeters and breadth is equal to 16 centimeters. Perimeter of the block is equal to 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 2 into 64 plus 16 cm is equal to 2 into 80 centimeters is equal to 160 centimeters. Area of a rectangle. Look at the two designs, rectangles, given below, made with squares each of side 1 centimeter. In rectangle A, length is equal to 6 centimeters. Breadth is equal to 3 centimeters. By counting the squares, area is equal to 18 sq.cm. Also, length into breadth is equal to 6 centimeters into 3 centimeters is equal to 18 sq.cm. In rectangle B, length is equal to 9 centimeters. Breadth is equal to 2 centimeters. By counting the squares, area is equal to 18 sq.cm. Also, length into breadth is equal to 9 centimeters into 2 centimeters is equal to 18 sq.cm. Hence, we can say that area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Also, same area of a rectangle can be obtained by different combination of its length and breadth. Example. Find the area of the following rectangular arrangement made by some square tiles of 1 meter side. Length is equal to 10 meters. Breadth is equal to 2 meters. Can the square tiles be arranged in another way to get the same area? Solution. Since there are 10 square tiles, each of side 1 meter, arranged lengthwise, the length of the rectangular arrangement is given by length is equal to 10 meters. Similarly, its breadth is given by breadth is equal to 2m. Area of the rectangular arrangement is equal to length into breadth is equal to 10 into 2 is equal to 20 sqm. To get the same area, the given arrangement may be rearranged as shown in the following. Since 4 into 5 is also a factorization of 20. Tiles arranged in this manner give the same area, that is, area is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to 20 sqm. Area of a square. A square is a special rectangle in which length and breadth are equal. Let us find the area of the following squares made of unit squares, each of side 1 centimeter. Since there are 4 unit squares in the big square, 1. Its area is equal to 4 sqcm. Also, side into side is equal to 2 centimeters into 2 centimeters is equal to 4 sqcm. Similarly, area of the square 2 is equal to side into side is equal to 3 centimeters into 3 centimeters is equal to 9 sq.cm. Hence, area of a square is equal to side into side. Example: find the total area to be painted in a cube-shaped box of side 10 centimeters. Solution: a cube-shaped box has 6 equal square surfaces. Side of each square surface is equal to 10 centimeters. Area of one square is equal to 10 into 10 sqcm is equal to 100 sqcm. Area to be painted is equal to 6 into area of a square surface is equal to 6 into 100 is equal to 600 sqcm. Area of a triangle. Rohan cut out a rectangle out of a squared paper, graph paper, and cut it diagonally to get to triangles. Area of the rectangle cut out by Rohan is equal to length into breadth is equal to 5 into 3 is equal to 15 sqcm. Since the two triangles were formed by folding and cutting the rectangle along the diagonal, we have the following. The area of each triangle will be half of area of the rectangle. The area of both triangles will be equal to each other. Hence, area of each triangle formed 1 by 2 into area of rectangle. So, we can say that 1 by 2 into 15 is equal to 7.5 sq.cm. Area of a triangle is equal to 1 by 2 of the area of the rectangle. A triangle can also be formed in a rectangle without the diagonal. Let us find the area of such triangle ABC drawn on a squared paper as shown alongside. First, divide the big rectangle completed by the triangle into two smaller rectangles 1 and 2. Then, consider the triangle ABC as the combination of two smaller triangles A and B and find their areas. Now, area of rectangle I is equal to length into breadth is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to 10 sqcm. Area of triangle A is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5 SQCM. Also, area of rectangle 2 is equal to length into breadth is equal to 5 into 5 is equal to 25 SQCM. This rectangle is also a square in which length is equal to breadth is equal to 5 centimeters. Hence, area of triangle B is equal to 25 by 2 is equal to 12.5 SQCM. Thus, area of given triangle ABC is equal to area A plus area B is equal to 5 plus 12.5 SQCM is equal to 17.5 SQCM. Area of irregular shapes. Irregular shapes have boundaries which cannot be accurately measured. They can be drawn on the squared paper. Hence, their areas are found by counting the number of full, half and more than half squares inside the shapes. Remember, consider a more than half square as one full square, two half squares as one full square, and ignore less than half squares. So do not count them. Example: find the area of the shape given below drawn on a squared paper. Solution: to find the area of the shape, count the number of full squares, more than half squares and half squares in it. Number of full squares is equal to 22. Number of half squares is equal to 2. Number of more than half squares is equal to 8. Hence, area of the shape is equal to 22 plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 31 SQCM. Think and solve. Relationship between perimeter and area. Is it possible to make different rectangles with the same perimeter, say 32 centimeters? Try this by making the rectangles on a squared paper made of the unit squares, each of side 1 centimeter. Also, find the area of each rectangle. One is done for you. Rectangles of the same perimeter. 1. Rectangle of size is equal to 15 centimeters into 1 centimeter. Perimeter is equal to 32 centimeters. Area is equal to 15 SQCM. Lab activity. Objective: to draw some rectangles of the same area, say 12 SQCM, on a squared paper made of the unit squares, each of side 1 centimeter, and then to find the perimeter of each one. Materials required: squared paper, ruler, pencil. Procedure: 1. Choose a composite number for area of a rectangle and list its factors. Here, the factorizations of 12 are 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4,